What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So by the title, as you guys can tell, your girl is back with my 4-year lock update. I know I left y'all hanging last year, so I'm back with 3 updates. So I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Let's jump right in. Things for y'all. First things first, get into this lint. Like, I can't even get in the frame because that's how long my locks have gotten. The girl locks have been growing like weeds. I don't have to say much because less is more, and that's all I've been doing, just keeping it very simple when it comes to my locks. So that's it. My locks are growing like crazy. So let's get into my second update. Before I get into that, let me tell y'all this. Alright, so y'all remember when I went to a loctician like a year ago and I got on here telling y'all I'm so excited, I finally interlocked my locks and I love them. But let me tell y'all, that died down once it was time to actually retwist my locks 6 months later. I started to notice, like, what is going on? I tried to do a real retwist and it did not come out right because there was not enough new growth. It did not look right. It was just looking all stale. So I'm gonna insert in a video to show y'all exactly what I was talking about and let y'all know I was not overreacting. So now that y'all saw that video, let's get into what is going on. So you guys can see the actual knot where I had my hair interlocked, and it is not cute. I do not like it. It's very noticeable to me. It's very noticeable to me. So I have like these holes, like the knots, not holes, the knots into my locks where I got my hair interlocked. So here we are right here. I'm gonna get up close and personal and let y'all see exactly what I'm talking about. So not only that, I have flatness going on. So much flatness from my experience. I do not know what happened and what caused them to become flat like that, but I don't like it. And that's like a major thing for me. Like, your girl was this close to actually cutting off my locks. I was this close because I'm like, I don't like them. I'm not in love no more. But eventually that feeling passed because I'm able to push through and get the retwist look that I want now. All right, so let's get into this 360. It's a knot right here. Don't like it. And the flatness right there, don't like it. So here's the side right here. The other side. Don't like it. The frizz has definitely came back, and I'm not even gonna do nothing this time to even try to fix it. I'm gonna let it just do its thing. So yeah, so needless to say, your girl will not be going to a loctician again. I'm not blaming it on her. I just don't think my locks are for interlocking. I don't think it's for me. So I will not be doing interlocking again. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss the upload from your girl. All right, I will catch you on my next one.